Clap if you know Harry Houdini. Clap if you know Harry Potter. Believe it or not, they're cousins because they do magic, you know, magic, they do cousins. My best friend here, he's going to lock me up in handcuffs.
Ooh.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah.
What's your best friend's name?
Houdini.
It doesn't matter, you have the best friend connection, okay? It doesn't matter. His best friends. Yeah, man. Relax. Yes. Okay. So these are handcuffs right here. I want you to go in here, or not go in here, but I want you to check the locks, unlock the locks, and then put the locks on there. You can put it down.
Take the lock off.
Yeah, put the locks off and put it right there. At the same time, I want you, because you look like Mr. Rogers, can you go in there and then you make sure there's no keys, no elephants, no midgets in there, because I'm going to put my hands in there. So make sure. So again, make sure there's nothing in there. So again, this is solid. This is really solid. You are a smart man. There's no holes in that all the way.
Oh, there.
Right on! He is smart. I love you. He is best friend, yes. Okay. There's a one big hole there. As a bonus trick, do you want me to poke my head through here and say, oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is how I poke my head through here. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Sorry for not letting you Okay, so this is it. You put up the locks there, and then you're going to lock me up. This is it. You are going to lock me, and then you're going to put the lock between there, but leave one leg behind. But I want you to make sure like this is solid, make sure that's good. I want you to make sure. Really peaceful time of year, you know? Good. Thank you. Like this, but leave one leg behind, okay? Before we start, have you lock a person up before and handcuffs?
His wife.
Okay. Mystery.
Not tonight.
Hey, that was good. That was great. Lock up. Who's having fun?
Yeah.
Good. I'm having fun.
You are
Okay. Same thing. Leave that thing, one leg behind, and then you have the keys with you. I want you to give the keys to whoever you want. This is who you like the most. Okay. Can you stand up? Yes. Give him a big hand. Thanks. You can do that.
Oh, you missed the best concept.
Okay. Now I want you to open this up. Okay. Now you really locked me up. I want you to make sure I'm locked. Oh, that's a nice photo. Okay. Good.
Check those locks. Shake those locks.
There are two chairs here at the front if you want to come close.
That's tight.
Channel, right?
Yeah.
But let's go serve your best friend eating all the desserts.
Gail, he's making them disappear.
Now my world record to try to break free from this is 3 hours, 15 minutes, and 2 seconds. I don't know why you're laughing. I'm being super serious. So hopefully I'm gonna. So again, whatever happens, do not let go. So again, I want you to hold on to this. If you know that I'm still lost right here, I want you to notice. I always love the second time around because there's always like, I love to chip this ball here. I mean, then let's go on the road, me and you.
Okay, go slow.
You had to say that. It's all Suzanne's
Okay. I will put now. Yeah. So. Yes, I want you. Like this.
Oh, he said.
No way.
What the heck?
Himself. Okay, this is it. One more.
Can you guys see that? Yeah.
Oh, we did the other hand.
Okay, so this time I'm going to count my hand in. And everyone, let's count to 100. No, let's count on 3. And on 3, what are we going to say? What are we going to say on 3?
Please say
No, this is a Christmas party. Why not say Merry Christmas? You know? I like Christmas. Do you like Christmas parties? Yeah. Okay. So let's practice again. 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas. Slow motion.
I want to say, out of all my crowds, you guys being my recent one. So thank you. So I want to say, I love you guys. Bottom heart.
Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. My name is Jason Saunders. Thank you very much.